The Russians think they can just come in and destroy everything we've built. They think they can just throw their missiles and kamikaze drones at us, killing innocent civilians, children, leaving people homeless. They destroy our energy infrastructure, blow up dams, steal our children, rape our women, shoot our prisoners of war, shoot dissenting civilians in our own territories. They engage in looting, in pillaging, in pure destruction. They attacked us at 5 a.m. without even declaring war. Like the Nazis in 1941, stinking cowards. And the world just watches, like it's some kind of movie. They want to kill us all, destroy everything we hold dear, capture us and make us their slaves. The whole world is scared of nuclear weapons, of what Russia might do next. They must be stopped, urgently. Otherwise, their madness will spread, their bloodlust will come knocking on your doorstep. And then, all the blood, sweat, tears, and dirt that Russia carries with it will flow freely. They've brainwashed their own people, made them believe that everyone around them is an enemy, a fascist, a traitor. But they're the ones attacking a country without nuclear weapons, a country 3 times smaller than theirs. They're the cowards, the bastards. We will never forgive them for what they've done to us. We will fight back. We will rebuild our country from the ashes they leave behind. They will answer for every life they've taken, for every family they've torn apart. They think they can break us, but they're wrong. Victory is ours. We will make them pay for their crimes, for their atrocities. They signed their own death sentence when they decided to attack us. So let them come. Let them try to destroy us. We are strong, we are united, and we will not back down. Fuck them, not Ukraine. We will stand tall, we will fight back, and we will emerge victorious.